Okay, I just wanted to share with you my latest project that I just completed. This was like a late 1930s Silvertone tube radio that I received, and it was just the cabinet. Had no chassis in it for the radio part. So I was wanting to preserve it the best I could and yet make it useful so that it could be enjoyed for the beauty that it is. I did have the original Bakelite knobs that I installed there. They have no function, they're just on there. They don't turn. And the original window is still here. And this was the original on-off switch that I was able to convert to work with the Bluetooth radio. And it didn't have a knob, but I just went down to Home Depot and found one that fit on there. And it kind of roughly goes with that. Put a new speaker grill on there and some speakers back there. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see what's going on here. The back of it did not have a back panel, so I just cut out a piece of fiberboard and drilled some holes in it there. It has little finger holes here that you could use to open it up. Set that aside right there. You can see what's going on inside here. That's the original speaker grill, cloth and wooden piece there. I just screwed it in there to save it. I have another one that I use that as a guide and cut it and put some new speakers in there. And back here I have the Bluetooth receiver, and it's powered with a cell phone USB cord that plugs into the power source there. Also have a LED vacuum tube that I outfitted with an LED light so that it lights up inside there along with the Bluetooth light, and then the power cord that comes out here. So I'm going to turn this back around so that you can see how this works. So the on-off switch, just turn it that way and it turns on. You see the tung-sole vacuum tube back there and the blinking Bluetooth. It's not blinking anymore because it's connected to my phone here. And I have some music on here. I wanted to bring up some royalty-free music. Let's see. Start playing and see those Bluetooth lights blinking back there. So it was a successful project and something that I would recommend. I'll put the type of speakers that I used in with the text notes on this video, so you can, if you're interested, you can purchase the same items. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to enjoy this Bluetooth speaker for a while to come here.